to another video. So guys, by the title of the video you already know what I want to show you guys. This video comes up every month, like it's a monthly recap. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything I crocheted in January, and I'm going to also show you guys my work in progress. So if you've not subscribed, please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. So this month has been a very productive month for me, because I've been able to crochet so many things. At least there are some of them are large projects, but I ended up finishing them before the end of January, which is a very good achievement for me. So I'm just going to run through them fast for you guys, so you can see what I was able to do, and also show you my work in progress, so that you can also see what I'm still working on. So I'm just going to run through that for you guys. So guys, I'm going to be, the first one is this top. This top was, the story behind this top is that it was supposed to be a long top, but because if you watch, I've not weaved in the end, but because I started it with a, what do they call this, it's a top down. I just measured my neck and just went down this way, so it got to a point that I really do not like how it was, so that's why I left it this way. But I ended the project because I finished it. If you look closely, you will see the border stitch I used. I finished it, and it's looking like a crop top for me. I made a video about it on my TikTok, so if you're following me on TikTok at 𝑉IONCraft, you're going to see me talking about this top. So this is the first thing I made, and after that I went on to use the remaining of that red yarn to make this beautiful bag, this beautiful granny square bag. This is a sunburst bag, so I use it to make this sunburst bag. And do you know one cute thing about this bag? Like, you guys, do you know one cute thing about this bag? It is lined. I lined it. Look at it. I lined the bag, and you guys, I'm enjoying this bag. I lined it, and I'm also selling it. If you want it in any color, I'm selling it. And also, this one is still for sale, and I can also make it in other colors. So if you want to purchase from me, you can check at 𝑉IONCraft. I'm not trying to promote myself here, but I'm just telling you the easiest way to purchase it. So this is one of the things I made, and after that I went on to use one of my scrap yarn to make this beautiful granny square crossbody bag. I've not attached a lock to it, I just left it this way. So I'm still going to attach like a cord to it now, so I can hang it like a crossbody bag. But one thing I love about it is this cute granny square here. I really love it, and I'm going to make something like this in a bigger version. And after that I made this t-shirt yarn bag. You guys, I did not come to play. Look at it. I made this t-shirt yarn. It took me a night to make this yarn. By the time I'm uploading this video, the vlog, I've shown you guys the yarn haul about this yarn and also this bag. You guys, look at how it looks like, and look at the chain. Let me just open it so you can see what the inside looks like. Time to open. So this is what the inside looks like. I didn't line it, and it's cute. Very small cute bag. So I see this month has just been bag for me. After that I made this tote bag. You guys, I've been longing for a tote bag for some time now. I've been loving tote bag, and this tote bag now is my go-to because I use it to carry some of my projects when I'm going out and I want to go along with my project. I don't want to leave my project at home, because leaving your project at home is like wasting your time. So when I'm going out, I always carry my projects with this cute tote bag. It's also, this design is also for sale. Like, I can make it for you in any color you want and deliver to you. So the last but not the least for finished projects, some of them I've not, if you watch, I've not put and weave some of the ends in because I finished them. But you know, weaving in is one of our disadvantage. Some of us crochet artists, the weaving is always a hectic job for us, but I'm going to do them before I take them out or before I sell them. So this is the last. Wow, you guys, look at this cute bag. I made this bag in a space of 2 days. That's because I was even doing something. If not, it would have been a 1 day something, like 1 day. So I made this bag. I started this bag on Friday and I finished it on Saturday. So you guys, look at the bag. This is my my newest collection in the store. This is the newest bag, so you guys are the first to see it before I even put it on Instagram. So this is what it looks like. Wow, cute bag. So this one is made out of paracord yarn. Just that's why it's this strong and it's standing firm. This is the inside. It's very big. This bag actually entered my purse, my power bank, my phone, and some other things I like to carry with me when I'm going out. So let me just show you guys my work in progress, what I'm still working on. And I'm really proud of myself, because you guys, it's not easy. Being a crochet artist and making things is for yourself, it's not easy. So this is my work in progress. This is a dress I'm making for myself. It's still work in progress. If you look, you see the yarn. So I'm still working on it. This is going to be a dress for my birthday, which is coming up next month, March, by the grace of God. So this is my work in progress. I'm still working on it. So guys, this is the only work in progress I have for now. So guys, you've seen all I made in this month of January, and I'm really happy, because some of these things I made, I'm planning to rock them. Some of these things I made, I'm also planning to sell them. It has been a very good month for me in aspect of my crocheting career. It's been a very good month for me. So if you like any of the patterns, or you like any of the design, and you want to get it, you can go over to Beyond Crafts on TikTok, on Instagram, and send me a DM, and I'm going to make it and send it to you. And you can also leave me a constructive comment. Tell me what you feel about my project. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Leave me a video idea, leave me a constructive comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button for me, you guys. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.